Hi everyone. So today I'm going to unbox my birthday gift. This is the gift by my brother and I'm so excited to open this big box. Let's open this and see what's inside. I was so happy and shocked as it has acrylic painting set of 78 colors. The first, it is the acrylic paint of 48 color set. It has so many different shades of color. This is the gift which I wanted since very long and I'm so happy to receive it. This is the pocket color wheel for guide to color mixing. It is the plastic knife set, a color palette, this is the paint brush sets of different shapes, a big brush of 40 size, a drawing book specially for acrylic paintings, and I have received 4 canvases of different sizes. And it has another box inside it. Let's open this. Wow, it is the canvas stand to keep my canvas. It is very easy to carry as it is had a handle and adjustable. Wow, I want this stand since very long and I'm so happy that I finally got this. This is the best birthday gift as we can stand our canvas and adjust its position. Wow, this is really very helpful. And one thing, it has a space to keep brushes and paint to travel or to carry. It is very useful, really. This is the best part. Wow, let's open and test the colors. Wow, seeing so many colors is the real happiness. Let's open and test the drawing book. It has thick paper and perfect for acrylic painting. It has very nice texture. The canvas is also very good. Thank you so much for this gift. I like this so much, and I'm going to use this in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching my videos.